Made with Clipchamp.
Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the convertible top switch in a 1994 through 2004 Ford Mustang convertible. It's not as hard as it looks. You do not have to take out the center console, but the switch is right here by the gear shift. So the first thing we need to do is remove the knob from the gear shift.
Made with Clipchamp.
And then the leather cover plate will just pop off the console.
Made with Clipchamp.
We're going to raise it. Now the one thing you do have to do is you'll have to disconnect the cigarette lighter if you have one.
Made with Clipchamp.
Disconnect that. You'll raise this so it's out of the way. And this will provide us access to the switch here. Now the switch connects by these two prongs. It snaps into place. So we have to press these two prongs. Other videos seem to suggest we have to take out the center console, but that's not exactly true.
Made with Clipchamp.
The front clip here, just use your finger and you can remove it. As you can see where the switch came up. The back
Made
one
with Clipchamp.
is the hard one to remove. But it's not that hard if you have a curved tool that's fairly small that will fit in a confined space. So this is a plastic tab remover for all kinds of plastic tabs in your vehicles. I got this at Harbor Freight. It wasn't very much. I don't remember how much it was. But the curved end is what's important. You can use anything that's got a curved end. My brother, who owned a tire shop and was a mechanic, had a tool like an ice pick that had a curved end that would work probably just as well. He's passed away. I don't have those tools, but this works just fine.
Made with Clipchamp.
This will go in here, the console, and go behind the switch.
Made with Clipchamp.
You pull the switch. And we're going to leverage up on this end just a little bit so we can get that side free, just like that. We can grab the switch now with our fingers to keep it from popping back into place. Let me just press the other side, and voila, the switch comes out. It's not a very long wire, so don't pull it very far.
Made with Clipchamp.
The electrical connection disconnects right here.
Made with Clipchamp.
And voila, it's disconnected. Put your new switch back into place. It's a snap and click in installation. So we're going to plug this
Made with Clipchamp
into our switch. We're going to clean this hole up here before we snap it into place.
Made with Clipchamp.
Then it just snaps into place, and you put your leather gear shift cover plate back into place. Put your knob on. Of course, don't forget to connect the cigarette lighter if you have one, and you're done. It's a 10-minute install, perhaps. The hardest part is finding the tool to pop this other side of the switch. That tool, once more, is just one of these plastic clip removers for automobiles, and these were acquired at Harbor Freight. I hope this helps. Have a great day.